Today is World Password Day, and you've probably heard you should pick secure passwords, and they need to be long and complicated. But today I really want you to just think about three things. One, you should use a password manager. Don't try to remember all these different passwords by yourself. It's futile, right? You need your passwords on all these different websites, all these different apps and services. And what they do is you have one password that should be long and complicated and secure, but then it stores all the other passwords for you, and you don't have to remember all these passwords. Point two, now that you have a password manager, all your passwords should be unique. Don't reuse those passwords. There's no excuse if you're using a password manager to reuse them. And third, you really need to activate two-factor authentication wherever you can. What that means is when you're trying to log into your Facebook account, for example, in addition to typing in your username and password, you're getting a message on your phone that says someone is trying to log into your Facebook account. That means if someone wants to hack your account, they need your name, your password, but also your device, right? And that makes it much more secure and makes it much harder for someone to hack into your accounts and keeps your information safe.